I went to the West Little Rock Farmers Market today and lucked out on some beautiful king trumpet mushrooms from Brian Gardner, my buddy at Driftwood Farms. Today I'm going to be trying out a recipe with king trumpet mushrooms. These are a member of the oyster mushroom family, although they don't really look like it much to me. But I think this is going to be very interesting. Okay, here goes the first bite. Try this little one over here. Well, here goes. Really good. Texture, taste. This is a winner.